Hello, it's me again, BABYCHA from Manipur. I'm the finalist of IAWA Mrs. India 2020 and finalist of Mrs. Quarantine Queen. Today, I'm going to cook nutritional dishes, yandem soy, biruk simju and sampoy. Let's go and get the yandem from my kitchen garden on terrace.
Yandem is generally called Indo taro. It is a resource of iron. That's why lactating mothers are fed with yandem soy regularly when they are recovering. It is very appetizing too. Let's go wash it and get started. Soy, known as vegetable stew, are the most popular lunch or dinner item of the Manipuris. Why differentiate from the Thai stew or soy must cook with ngari? Soy gets its flavor and aroma from it. Ngari also adds a little protein and minerals to the diet.
First of all, I must tell you that no Manipuri meal is complete without this. This is called ngari. It is fermented dry fish. Almost every Manipuri meal must have come this. Even the lunch I'm cooking today needs this in a small portion. Now, let's get started.
This local river fish provides the unique taste that soy is so popular for. Now is the time for the yandem. After allowing the mix to simmer a while to spread its aroma and taste, it is time to add potatoes, onion and tomato for carbohydrates and antioxidant. Peas and beans can be added for a great mix of minerals. After allowing the ingredients to simmer, it is time for the main ingredient. Yes, the yandem. We add a little local dry fish caught from the local river or from the Great Loktak Lake. Have you ever heard of the Loktak Lake? It is the largest freshwater in East India and it is considered as the soul of our state that regulates our climate. It is the lake of great international importance. I shall tell you more later on, but let's add some dried fish. We have to allow it to simmer till the yandem is done. However, we have to make sure it is not overcooked. Once it is done, we can add corianders and then it is ready to serve. The herb salad or singju that we shall serve today is peruk singju. Peruk is commonly known as Indian pennyworth. Peruk is medical herb having properties that aids repair of nervous tissue and is known to improve memory. Unfortunately, Manipuri cuisine contains a lot of medical herbs like this, useful for our health. Peruk is slightly bitter, so it is good to make the salad with powder of muttar to add taste. And the last but not the least is mixed vegetable boil of carrot, mustard leaf and beans. Now we have everything is ready to serve, so let's dig it. Till then, watch me in my next video.